Okay, so this patient likes to ride Harley Davidson. She was a passenger while the other vehicle rear-ended their motorbike. So lots of pain. Neck, right, is the most. Yeah, so your MRI came out not very good. Okay, so let me adjust you. Okay, take a deep breath in, out. Okay, breath in, out. Okay. So this patient has right ASIN, so I'm going to set up from the sacrum and adjust the sacrum on the right side. Keep your legs straight. Set up is everything here. Okay, so just look to the wall, please. Okay, relax your shoulder. Okay, let's have a seat. No, it's okay, no worries. Okay. Lean back. Okay. So very limited on the right, and so she has about C7 on the right and C2 on the left. Good, nice audible. And let's do your lumbar spine. So lumbar has I'm gonna do the L4. Go on your side.
On this side?
Yeah. Keep this leg straight. This is gonna be just straight PL. Okay, relax. Move close to the edge of the table. Okay, thank you. Okay, alright. Relax. There we go. Nice and clean. Okay.